Till what we have finished in the last class? People. Till what we have finished?
The conditions for the equation of circles of touching the axis.
Touching the axis. Okay, fine. Right. So we have solved the questions. Have we done with any question?
Yes, sir, we did.
One question. So look guys, next we'll talk about general equation. And a general equation of, let me just have a quick recap. Divyanka, for you, actually, we are just going with, see, the standard form of the circle is this one. Okay, this is a standard form of the circle. This is a circle with center h comma k. Okay, now one more standard form. This is a circle. This is a circle with a standard. This is a circle standard form with a center 0, 0. Okay, these are center h comma k and center 0, 0. These are the two things we have solved, and multiple questions we have solved on this. Please, if you go through the class notes at least, or recording, you will get to know what exactly we have gone through in the last classes. Okay, I mean previous classes. Now we are going to talk about the general equation of a circle. Okay, general equation of a, someone is in the waiting room, I think. Oh, okay. Just a minute. Yes, hi Ritvik, hi Disha.
Hey, sir. Sorry, sir, I was late. I was in chemistry class, chemistry sir's class, and he had a problem, so he skipped the class for tomorrow.
Okay, so general equation of circle is what? Yx square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the circle, and if I'm not wrong, we have done with this as well. Am I correct? Am I correct? Yes. So this is the general equation of a circle, and what is the center of this? What is the center of this? Minus g comma minus f. I have proven this as well, right? What is the radius of this? What is the radius of the circle? What is the radius of this? एक मिनट, मतलब writing का दिमाग खराब हो रहा है आज. देखो radius क्या है? तो g square plus f square minus c. This is a center. This is a radius of this general equation of the circle. ठीक है? ठीक है? All right? Yes. So now what is the radius here? R is the radius. Here also R is the radius. What is the center? H comma k. What is the center here? 0 comma 0. All right. So how? See, don't need not to remember anything here. We have particularly seen everything in a proof wise. All right. You can just go through that and just learn it out there. Okay. So now important conditions. मेरे पास क्या क्या conditions है? Important conditions of general equation of a circle. ठीक है, important conditions of general equation of a circle. ये general equation of a circle, what is the general equation of a circle? This is my general equation of a circle. What exactly are the conditions of this general equation of the circle? Tell me. If these conditions are satisfied, हमने जो भी conditions जा रहे हैं ना अभी, so if these conditions are satisfied, then only general equation represent a circle. ठीक है? So now look at this here. The first condition gives you what? See, it should be it is second degree equation in x and y variable. Isn't it? See, this is the this is general equation of a circle, right? Now I'm just writing the conditions of this equation. I'm writing the conditions of this general equation of a circle. So it should be a second degree equation. Isn't it a second degree equation in x and y variable? All right. Next, what are the conditions? Second condition is what? Coefficient of x square should be coefficient of y square. I'm writing somewhat roughly. Please try to understand and just copy this. Now there is no xy term. ठीक है, there is no xy term. ठीक है, now here g square plus f square minus c, what is this, what exactly this represents here? Radius, right? This should be greater than 0. This should be greater than 0. Why it should be greater than 0? Radius should be greater than 0. Any one of you can you please tell me why should be radius greater than 0? Why can't it be equal to 0? Why can't it be less than 0? बताइए मुझे.
Sir, if it is less than 0, then it will be negative, and if it is equal to 0, then it will be a point circle without any radius.
Very good, beta. See here, look at it here. So x square plus y square is equal plus 2gx plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. This is the general equation of a circle, right? This is the general equation of a circle. Now here no xy term. बच्चों ने क्या करता है, देखो ऐसा लिख देता है. Many of you might write like xy लिखा देते हैं इधर 2xy something. There is no xy term. You can't. Can you see any xy term in the general equation of a circle? No, right? So please make sure that you are not writing xy term. You are not writing xy term anywhere in the general equation of a circle. All right. So here coefficient of x square should be equal to coefficient of y square, and either radius should be greater than or equal to, greater than 0. Okay. Now radius can't be equal to 0. Radius can't be less than 0. And Adesha, you have just wonderfully explained that. So why can't it be less than 0? Why can't it be equal to 0? Now let us take a note on the point which our Adesha has given now. Okay, so look at it here. If g square plus f square minus c is equal to 0, then क्या होगा? Then that equation represents a point circle. ठीक है, देखो कॉमन सेंस लगाओ. अगर 0 होगा, मेरा रेडियस कुछ भी नहीं है, देखो बेटा मैंने क्या करता हूँ, देखो एक सर्किल ड्रा करने के लिए मुझे कुछ तो भी एक रेडियस चाहिए ना, लेकिन somewhat I need some radius, like, right? So I'll just keep my compass here. I'll just take the radius and just draw a circle like this. You might have learned in class, school stage, but I don't even have, let's say that r is equal to 2 half. So r is equal to 2 radius circle is this one. You r is equal to 0, मेरे पास रेडियस ही नहीं है, मेरे पास रेडियस 0 है, तो कहां से मैंने सर्किल ड्रा करूंगा? आपको समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? Isn't it? So मेरे पास रेडियस 0 है, तो now this point itself, ये पॉइंट जो दिख रहा है ना, ये जो पॉइंट ये सेंटर वाला दिख रहा है ना, that becomes a circle. So point, it becomes a point circle. What it becomes? If radius is going to be 0, if radius 0 है तो वो क्या बन जाता है? Point circle. ठीक है, that point itself becomes a radius. All right. Now अगर if at all that g square plus f square minus c अगर less than 0 है तो क्या होगा? Then equation represent what? Doesn't then the equation doesn't represents रियल सर्किल जैसा नहीं दिखेगा ना. मेरे पास रेडियस नेगेटिव में है ना, लेस देन 0 मतलब नेगेटिव, राइट? रेडियस कांट बी नेगेटिव. अगर नेगेटिव होगा तो क्या होगा? इमेजिनरी केस. क्या बन जाएगा वो? इमेजिनरी केस. What will happen if my radius is negative, beta? Are you guys able to understand here? Imaginary place, that is an imaginary place, imaginary circle, कुछ भी देखो. नेगेटिव है ना, मेरे पास नेगेटिव होगा तो क्या होगा? इमेजिनरी. ठीक है, वो रियल सर्किल ही नहीं बनेगा. ठीक है, ऑलराइट. Is it clear? Alright, beta. Hello. Is it clear, people? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to every one of you?
Yes.
Now show that ST is nothing but show that the question देखेंगे हम लोग. एक question. Show that the equation 3x square plus 3y square plus 12x minus 18y minus 11 is equal to 0. It represents a circle. Represent a circle. Also find its center and radius. देखो, show that we have to show that this particular equation represent a circle. ठीक है, मैंने क्या बताया था आपको? This equation represent a circle, that is what we have to show here, and also find its center and radius मुझे बताना है. ठीक है, देखो मैंने easy way, I just tell you the easiest way. मैंने क्या बताया था? For showing this equation as a circle, what are the conditions must get satisfied? ठीक है, what are the conditions must get satisfied so that I could say that the given equation represent a circle. ठीक है, मेरे पास क्या क्या कंडीशन था, देखो एक्स स्क्वायर का कोएफिशिएंट किसके बराबर होना चाहिए, वाई स्क्वायर का कोएफिशिएंट, हाँ बराबर है, ठीक है। मगर मेरा स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म क्या था, जनरल इक्वेशन क्या था, व्हाट वाज माय स्टैंडर्ड आई मीन जनरल इक्वेशन ऑफ अ साइकिल, this is what, yes. Now but my coefficient of x4 what is here, 3. So what you have to do here now, divide by 3 so that it becomes in terms of 1, ठीक है, to make sure that you are writing coefficient of x square as 1, ठीक है। if I divide by 3, so what happens here, 3x square by 3 plus 3y square by 3 plus 12x by 3, ठीक है, minus 18y by 3, so minus 11 by 3 is equal to 0, ठीक है बेटा, आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना, ऑलराइट। हाँ देखो अगर ये what happens here, 3 will get cancelled, 3 will get cancelled, 3 ones 3 4s here, 3 ones 3 6, so now write the equation of x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y minus 11 by 3 is equal to 0, all right, so this is what the general equation of a circle here. Now मुझे अभी क्या बताना है इधर, I need to show that it is representing a circle. Now can you tell me that, now can you all tell me that जो equation जो भी दिख रहा है इधर देखो, this one, let's say this 1 and 2, now can I say 1 is equal to 2, do you agree with my point, both are same ही है, ठीक है। what I have done here, I just equated, I mean I just divided by 3 on the both the sides, सर फिर इधर क्यों नहीं डिवाइड किया, 0/3 तो 0 ही तो बनता है बेटा, ठीक है, आ रहा है समझ, make it point. Guys, are you able to understand here?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yes or no? I need a response from each and every student presented over here. Is it clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now look at this. So this is what. Now what are the conditions? What were the conditions? मेरे पास x square का coefficient y square होनी चाहिए, ठीक है। हाँ, condition number 1 satisfying. देखो coefficient of x square is equal to y square, ठीक है। Coefficient of x square is equal to, you say coefficient of y square, condition number 1 satisfied. मेरे पास no xy term here, no xy term, and what are the third number condition, let's say there is no xy term, right, so this is a second degree equation, it's a second degree equation in x and y variable, am I correct? Now look at this, मुझे क्या चाहिए अभी, g square plus f square minus c क्या होना चाहिए, greater than 0, ये क्या बनाता है, what is represent here, what exactly g square plus f square minus c greater than 0 represent here, which means radius should be greater than 0, ठीक है। हाँ देखो हमने क्या करेंगे अभी, what we will do here is देखो first we'll find out the center, ठीक है, first we'll find out the center, what is the center of this general equation of circle, minus g comma minus f, देखो मैंने पहले आज के क्लास में पहले लेकिन द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ दिस टुडेस क्लास आई टोल्ड यू, देखो व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ जनरल एलिमेंट, व्हाट इज द सेंटर ऑफ द जनरल इक्वेशन ऑफ अ सर्किल, माइनस जी कॉमा माइनस एफ, व्हाट इज द सेंटर, square root of g square plus f square minus c, all right, yes, so this is what my center and radius, okay, yes, now look at this, मुझे क्या करना है अभी देखो, now I am just comparing ये equation with what, like this, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, मैंने क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैंने आई एम जस्ट कंपेयरिंग माय इक्वेशन विद द जनरल इक्वेशन ऑफ अ सर्किल, सो नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज द g and f here, what is the g and f, देखो मैंने क्या करना है, तो just forget about center for a while, just compare this one and this one, compare these two now, so x square I have same, so what is the 2g is equal to here, what is 2g is equal to, 2g is
4.
equal to 4, very good, 2f is equal to what, minus 6, and what is
Minus
c
6.
value, minus 11 by 3, okay, देखो 2 ones 2 twos, 2 ones 2 threes, ठीक है, so what is g value I got here, 2, what is f value I got here, minus 3, what is c value here, minus 11 by 3 as it is, ठीक है, hope it is clear with you all, हाँ देखो but my center is what, minus g comma f, देखो मैंने center क्या हो जाएगा, minus g, what is the g value here, minus of minus 2 comma minus of minus 3, this is my center, so therefore center is going to be minus 2 comma 3, ठीक है, all right, so these many things you have to do but need not to do all this stuff, This is a first sum on a general equation of a circle. So that is the reason I'm just point outing each and everything and just making sure that you guys are understanding in a clear cut way. Okay, so yes, I request many of you. I mean, I request the people who are absent, the people who were absent for the previous classes. I request to all that please go through the previous recording lectures so that you will understand this in a neat way. Yes, I hope there is nothing much that you will not understand. I hope you guys are. I'm sure that you are understanding what I'm just delivering here. Am I correct, guys? Are you guys able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Radius. What is the radius formula? What was the radius formula? मेरे पास g square plus f square minus c. What is the g square here, beta? What is the g square? 2 square, which gives me 4 plus f square minus 3 square 9 minus what is c value? minus into minus plus. So 11 by 3. देखो मुझे क्या चाहिए अभी देखो 3 2 4 3 4 12 3 9 27 plus 11 by 3. So what would you get here? 20 39 to 51, right? Am I correct? So मुझे क्या मिलेगा 50 somewhere 50 I get 50 by root 3. 50 by root 3 I get. One second, let me write neatly. Yes, okay, so 50 by root 3. 50 by root 3 is of course greater than 0. This is my radius. All right, beta. See here, what was the condition? Radius. See, this condition was satisfying. This condition was satisfying. This is also satisfying. Now we were working upon the fourth condition. Yes, first three conditions will be very easily satisfying, but the fourth condition is what? Radius should be greater than 0 to call the given equation as a circle. All right, to represent the given to say that the given equation is representing a circle. What are the conditions? Radius should be greater than 0, and the above three conditions are easily satisfying here. Here, what we have done? Therefore, radius is greater than 0. Therefore, the given equation therefore you say that the given equation, what is the equation given? 3x square plus 3y square plus 12x minus 18y minus 11 is equal to 0 represents a circle. Hope it is clear. All right, so this represents a circle, isn't it? So now I'll just give you the shortcut how to find out center and radius very easily within 2 steps. See, I have done very slowly here to understand in a neat manner, to make you to understand in a neat manner, but I hope everyone have understood what exactly we have just discussed now. Okay, people, any doubt here, guys? Any doubts? Hope it is clear. हमने क्या करेंगे अभी थोड़ा विल सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस मैंने आपको easy, I'll just give you the easy question. You just find out the center of that particular equation. ठीक है, I'll give you the shortcut to find out the center and radius of that. Let's say that you have a question, beta, x square plus y square, beta, ठीक है, 2y plus 6x minus 7 is equal to 0. ठीक है, in a previous question, what was the equation? The equation was 3x square plus 3y square plus 12x minus 18y minus 11 is equal to 0. If at all the equation, make sure that the degree, I mean the coefficient of x square is 1 here. Make sure that the coefficient of x square and y square is 1 here. Why? Because it exactly, this is what my general equation of a circle, right? So making sure that my given equation, the given equation looks like in the form of general equation, we are dividing with the what? We are dividing with whatever the coefficient we have here. Okay, so we have to divide with the coefficient of x square and y square to make sure that our general equation looks like, I mean the given equation looks like a general circle equation. Okay, so what we have done here? You have to divide by 3 here. Why? To make sure that the given equation looks like a general circle equation. Hope it is clear. So here, see here, coefficient of x square and y square is 1 only. So need not to divide with anything. Sir, can we divide with 1 here? अरे भाई 1 से divide करो या ना करो तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? Same ही आंसर तो मिलेगा, isn't it? Is it clear? I think 1 second, people. Who is this? Okay, hope it is clear. What is the center and radius of this? व्हाट इज सेंटर बेटा? मैंने क्या बताया? देखो मैंने क्या बताया था, जस्ट कैलकुलेट इन माइंड हियर, कैलकुलेट इन माइंड। देखो बेटा इधर ध्यान से सुनिए, इट इज गिवन फर्स्ट वाई टर्म हियर, ठीक है? सो मेक श्योर दैट यू आर राइटिंग इन अ प्रॉपर ऑर्डर। ओके, सो देखो मेरे
Center is minus 3 comma 2.
minus 3 comma not 2.
Sorry, sir. 1. 1.
Yes, please.
Minus 3 comma 1.
Okay, so this is what the equation, and I'll just give you one more question here. So I mean, everyone find out that. And what is the radius? Find the center. And you guys look at here. Center क्या होगा? And what is the radius here? Okay, next question I'll give you everyone. Okay, मेरे पास this equation have. Let's say that you have. Let's say that you have a question. I mean equation like. Mm, 2x square plus 2y square minus 2x plus 7y minus 13 is equal to 0. So find out the center and radius of these two. Okay. Okay, so solve these two and make it fast.
So for the first question, radius is
Yeah, you keep solving, keep solving. I'll solve and just evaluate, please. Yes, what happened, guys? Done? Very simple. It is a very simple. Look at it. Center is what? See here, 2g. Just calculate in mind. देखो मैंने क्या बताया था? 2g. What is the half of this? What is the half of this? 3. What is the half of this? What is the half of this? -1, right? Center is what? Minus g comma minus f. So here plus I have, so minus will come. Here minus I have, minus will minus plus. So 3 comma -1. ठीक है? Getting my point, people? Hello, guys. What is the radius? Guys, are you here? Hello.
Yes, sir.
See, what I'm saying here is, मैंने क्या बताया था आपको? I'm saying I'm just teaching the short way. ठीक है? Finding the center and radius. What is the half of this? 3, right? मेरा center क्या था? Minus g comma minus f, right? What is the half of this? Half of the 6 gives you, half of the coefficient of x gives you g value. What is the g value? What is the g value here? 3. ठीक है? What is the half of the coefficient of y here? That gives you f, which is -1. But my center is minus g comma minus f. तो minus g के लिए मैंने क्या करूंगा? -3. Minus f करेंगे तो +1. So -3 comma 1 is my center. Very simple. Is it clear? Is it clear? Hello, guys. Hello. Are you here or not?
Yes, sir.
What is the radius here? G square. 3 square is 9 plus 1 square is 1 minus c. What is c here? What is c here? Tell me. What is c value here? What is c value? Are you here or not? What is c value, beta? Just how can I find? Need -7, not 7. Who said 7? -7 here.
I mean minus plus.
Not minus plus. देखो मैंने क्या बता रहा था इधर. x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is what my general equation, right? Now if I compare, देखो c क्या है इधर? -7 तो है, isn't it? You understand my point? c is -7, right? c is -7. देखो मेरा radius क्या था? What was the formula for radius? Formula for radius was g square plus f square minus c. ठीक है? minus c. देखो g square is what? 3 square gives me 9 plus f square gives me what? 1 minus of c value कितना? -7. देखो, so it gives you how much? 10 plus 7, which gives me √17. All right, need not to convert into decimal. That let it be as it is. Okay, beta? Clear? Clear? Hello, guys. Hello. Hope it is clear with you all. So next. So what is the here coefficient of x square and y square is not 1. So what I have to do? Divide by what? Divide by what? किससे divide करना है मुझे? 2. So if I divide with the 2, what happens here? X square plus y square. 2 will get cancelled x. So 7/2y minus 13/2 is equal to 0. So what I have asked you to do here, finding the center. Center के लिए मुझे क्या चाहिए? Center is equal. देखो मैंने क्या करा था इधर? What I was doing? Minus g comma minus f. All right. So minus g. What is g here? What is g value? What is g value? Half of the coefficient of this. You understand my point? What is the g value? Half of what is half? -1 में से half कितना होता है? -1/2 तो होता है. G value is -1/2. G value is -1/2. What is f value? Half of the 7/2. Half of the 7/2 is what? 7/4. All right. So we need minus g comma minus f. So minus c to minus plus 1/2 minus 7/4. ठीक है? Any doubts? People. Hello, guys.
No, sir.
Radius is what here? G square. G square मतलब 1/2 whole square minus 1/2 whole square plus 1/2 whole square gives you what? 1/4 plus 7/2 whole square gives not 49/4. 49/16. In fact, okay. Minus c. What is the c value here? -13. तो c का वैल्यू क्या होगा सर? -13. तो what you get here? 4 plus 49/16 plus 13. इसको मैंने क्या कैसे कैलकुलेट करूंगा? LCM is what? 16. तो 4 plus 49 plus 16 into 13 how much? 16 into 13 कितना होगा? 172. not 172. So 130, 172 तो मिलेगा. 13 into 6, how much? Sorry, not 10. 208, am I correct? 208. देखो 13 into 16 कितना होगा? 16 is 48, 16 1 16 20. हाँ correct ही. Alright people, yes or no? थोड़ा कैलकुलेट करके भी देख लेना आप. Alright, 208. Said add all this stuff. So 53 plus 8. So 261 divided by 16, which is your radius. Alright people, you understand my point? Hello? Yes, very simple. So this is what the basic questions of your general equation of a circle. Okay, so next we'll talk about parametric equations of a circle. Next concept is what? Parametric equation. Parametric equations of circle. Of which circle? Parametric equations of circle. If I talk about, देखो मैं parametric equation of this circle is what? And parametric equation of this circle is what? देखो मैंने every parametric equation of this circle is what? Parametric equation of this circle was. मैंने क्या करूंगा एक बार let me write a table so that you will understand in a neat way. Let me draw a table here. So this is circle and उसका parametric equation. उसका parametric equation. Basically parametric equation can I say parametric form? Parametric form. Okay, I would say parametric form instead of saying equation. Parametric form. Okay, so x square plus y square is equal to r square. So this is a circle. If I talk about this circle, y minus k whole square is equal to r square. And if I talk about this circle, general equation of a circle, these all are different types of circles with a different radius. Am I correct? See, isn't it, guys? These all are different circles with a different radius. I mean, with a different centers. All right. देखो मैंने क्या करूंगा. What is a parametric form of this circle? X is equal to, parametric form is nothing but writing x and y coordinate. X is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. ये कहाँ से मिला मुझे? Let me prove you. X is equal to h plus r cos theta and y is equal to क्या मिलेगा मुझे? Y is equal to r plus sin theta. Same thing everywhere. X is equal to minus g plus r cos theta. I mean minus g plus r cos theta. R cos theta and y coordinate is minus h minus not h minus f plus r sin theta. So everyone draw this table. Okay, so let me prove you. Okay, see these are different circles here. Okay, so these all are different circles. उसका parametric forms. Parametric form is nothing but including angle somewhere. Parametric form is nothing but what? Including an angle somewhere. देखो ये कहाँ से मिलेगा मुझे, कहाँ? Just how do we get this? I'll just teach you a proof of this. You can prove the remaining two actually very easily. Let me prove one by one. Let me prove one thing. The rest of the things you can solve it. Okay. So I'm just proving a parametric equation of this circle. What is the center of this circle? What is the center of this yellow color circle? बताओ. Hello people. What is the center of this? 0, 0 तो center है ना? What is the center of this? H, K. What is the center of this? Minus g, minus f. These are the different circles with a different radius. I mean different centers. Okay? So that's what I told, and that is what we have discussed. Now let us see the proof of this. देखो मैंने क्या कर रहा हूँ, proof. I'll teach you only one proof. You can just proofs are no one is going to ask, but just still okay. Let me tell you how we are going to make that. Okay, all right. Yes, perfect. Yeah. So this is what I got here. This is a circle. So this is my center 0, 0. All right. So this is my let's say let me take an axis here. Okay, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, this is y-axis and x-axis. Okay, or else you I'm not taking x-axis and y-axis. मैंने क्या बता रहा हूँ देखो, ठीक है, or else you take a you have a point and a circle, ठीक है, you have somewhere point and a circle called x comma y, ठीक है, all right, yes. So now I can just take, now this is also my radius and this is also my radius. Do you agree with my point? Yes, both are radii, right? Now if I extend this, बेटा देखो मैंने इसको थोड़ा एक्सटेंड कर दूंगा तो ये क्या बन जाएगा, what it becomes as a x axis, ठीक है। नाउ कैन आई से दैट इज x axis। हाँ देखो मैंने क्या करूंगा, अभी इसको थोड़ा एक्सटेंड कर दूंगा इधर से, देखो नाउ इफ आई एक्सटेंड दिस इज माय y axis, ठीक है, दिस इज माय y axis। नाउ हियर व्हाट इज दिस इज थीटा, एंगल तो बनाएगा वो। नाउ this is my theta. Now if at all I join this, what is this? This is 90 degrees here, this 90 degrees. I have a point x comma y, 0 comma 0 as my center. So proof of circle x square plus y square is equal to r square. Parametric form of this circle, parametric form of this circle, parametric form of this circle, ठीक है। हाँ now beta parametric form is nothing but we include theta somewhere. All right, we include theta somewhere. देखो I'm including theta here. So मैंने बताया था आपको, देखो guys, you have a triangle here. What is the triangle? Let's say that I'm just taking this as a point Q, ठीक है। So now from the triangle, everyone listen to me carefully here. So from triangle O Q P, from the triangle O Q P, what exactly the sin theta gives you? Sin theta is what? What is sin theta? बताओ मुझे। Opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite here? PQ divided by what is hypotenuse? OP. What is PQ length? PQ का length क्या है? What is the PQ length represent here? Y axis तो, isn't it? Am I correct? Hello people. What is PQ length? बेटा PQ is Y here. OP is nothing but what? OP is nothing but what? OP क्या है बेटा? ये रेडियस ही तो है, isn't it? Alright. और सो मुझे y कोऑर्डिनेट क्या मिलेगा? देन y by r can be written as sin theta. Alright, y by r can be written as sin theta. तो मुझे y कोऑर्डिनेट मिलेगा r sin theta, ठीक है। दिस इज व्हाट माय y कोऑर्डिनेट। हाँ मुझे अभी देखो, इफ एट ऑल आई जस्ट टॉक अबाउट cos theta, cos theta क्या मिलेगा मुझे इधर? व्हाट इज cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse, OQ divided by OP. व्हाट इज OQ लेंथ? ये OQ लेंथ क्या बताएगा मुझे? x एक्सिस तो x लेंथ divided OP क्या है? अगेन r. So what I got here now? X by r is equal to cos theta. So x coordinate is what? R into cos theta. Hope it is clear. Any doubt, beta? Any doubt? Guys, any
No,
doubt?
sir.
Very simple, right? So x and y coordinate. So therefore you can simultaneously just go with everywhere. So therefore parametric form of the circle क्या बताएगा? What exactly gives you? X is equal to r cos theta. I mean, you say that a parametric form of the circle is nothing but writing a point here, right? Parameter of this is p of x comma y. It gives me what? r cos theta comma r sin theta. Okay, this is my parametric. So what is p? The p of theta. If I write in terms of theta, this is what it gives me. R cos theta, r sin theta. Parametric form is nothing but we include theta somewhere. That is my parametric form. Okay, parametric form is nothing but we include theta somewhere. That is the parametric form of the circle. Proofs are not at all important. See, just for your understanding purpose, मैंने आपको सभी बता रहा हूँ इधर देखो. Alright, so here where is center 0, 0. क्यों center 0, 0? Why? Because center of the circle is 0, 0 only, right? So center I took. That is the reason I took the center as 0, 0. We can prove similarly. We can just prove this one as well. What is the center of this? H comma k. You take a center. What is the center of this? You take a minus g comma minus f. And what is the center of this? 0, 0. Just now we took. Okay. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Very simple. Very simple. Very simple. Very simple. एंड आई जस्ट टुक अ प्रूफ फ्रॉम दिस। देखो मैंने आपको ध्यान से सुनिए, इधर मुझे क्या बता रहा हूँ, अब मैंने याद रखने का तरीका बता रहा हूँ। आई वुड टेल यू हाउ कैन आई रिमेंबर दैट। ठीक है, रिमेंबर इज नथिंग बट वी आर नॉट मगिंग अप एवरीथिंग हियर। सिंपली व्हाट आई एम डूइंग हियर, थोड़ा हमको पता है हाउ कैन वी प्रूव दैट, वी नो द कॉन्सेप्ट बिहाइंड प्रूविंग द कॉन्सेप्ट, आई मीन प्रूविंग द पैरामीट्रिक इक्वेशन ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी सर्किल, बट still I'm giving you the idea to I trick to remember that। ठीक है, हाँ देखो इधर मेरे पास सेंटर जीरो है ना, सेंटर जीरो है तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा, जीरो प्लस आर कास थीटा एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट, एंड व्हाट इज वाई कोऑर्डिनेट, आर साइन थीटा, एवरीवेयर आर कास थीटा आर कास थीटा आर कास, ये सब लाइक फॉर एवरी सर्किल इट कम्स। ठीक है, हाँ बट हियर सेंटर वाज जीरो, राइट, जीरो प्लस आर कास थीटा एंड जीरो प्लस आर साइन थीटा, इधर सेंटर इज एच का मके, राइट, सो एच प्लस आर कास थीटा एंड हियर के प्लस आर, मैंने थोड़ा गलत लिख दिया इधर, देखो देखो बेटा ये थोड़ा क्या था, के प्लस आर साइन थीटा, दिस इज के प्लस आर साइन थीटा। ठीक है, के प्लस आर साइन थीटा, ऑलराइट। सो हियर y k plus and h plus and k plus, since the center is h comma k, now why this minus g, look at this, minus g comma minus f, center is minus g comma f, here center is k comma h, all right, so everywhere cos theta r sin theta and r cos theta is common, it's going to be common, am I correct, am I right guys, are you able to understand here? All right, r cos theta and r sin theta is common everywhere, so parametric form is nothing but we will be writing the coordinate x and y coordinates everywhere, x and y coordinate of respective circles. Hope it is clear, hope it is clear guys, any doubts? Hello?
No, sir.
Yes, so I'll be asking a questions based upon this guys। आप तो देखो एक कॉमन सेंस की चीज, कॉमन सेंस की चीज, इफ यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू द नोट्स एंड रिवाइजिंग इट, देखो मैंने नेवर आपको मैंने बांड पेपर पे लिख के दूंगा 110% यू विल नॉट मेक गुड, यू विल नॉट परफॉर्म गुड प्लीज, सो थोड़ा 100% you must revise the notes before applying the concept। ठीक है, so I'll just give you the question here, basic question, let us start with the question। Write the parametric equations of the circle 25। देखो मैंने क्या बताया था बेटा, दिस सर्किल वी नीड टू राइट अ पैरामेट्रिक फॉर्म ऑफ दिस सर्किल, देखो दैट इज नॉट इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इफ एट ऑल एनी सर्किल इज इन नॉट स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म, बेटा व्हाट इज स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द सर्किल, बेसिकली ये होता है मेरा सर्किल, देखो isn't it this is standard form of circle, isn't this standard form of circle, yes of course। देखो मुझे x स्क्वायर का y स्क्वायर का कोएफिशिएंट सेम मिलने के लिए मैंने क्या करूंगा, डिवाइड बाय 9। ठीक है, देन what would you get, x square by 9x square by 9 plus 9y square by 9 is equal to 25 by 9, 9999 गया। ठीक है, मुझे क्या बचा अभी देखो, what would I remain with, so 25 by 9 can be written as what, perfect in terms of perfect square 5 by 3 whole square, so देखो all right बेटा, so what is r here, 5 by 3। ठीक है, so then we know that we we know that the parametric forms of the circles are x cos theta comma, sorry, x cos theta, x is equal to r cos theta, x is equal to r cos theta, I mean let us write x comma y, is p of x comma y is equal to r cos theta comma r sin theta। ठीक है, so then can I write now r cos theta, what is cos theta here, need not to find out any cos theta and all, simply मैंने क्या करूंगा r लिख दूंगा, just I'll be simply substituting r value and let the cos theta will be let the cos theta as it is, this is my parametric form। ठीक है, isn't it a simple thing guys, tell me, see here why I'm not just disturbing this theta, Why I'm not disturbing these trigonometric functions here? Since he is not given theta value, then how come I just disturb that? So theta value hai na ye, just leave it as it is. Don't disturb it. Why? Because if at all he is giving theta value, then you can substitute the theta value in place of theta and find out the final solution. Okay? All right, people. Guys, is it clear with everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Here, theta value not given, beta. So I'm not going to substitute the theta value here. Theta value is not given in the question. If at all theta value could be 30 degrees as a 45 degrees could be mentioned kar diya hoga, then you can substitute the value of theta in place of theta and just go for the answer. That's it. Very simple. Okay. Next question. The parametric form of the parametric. I mean, you say parametric form or representation. Parametric representation of the circle 3x square plus 3y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 4 is equal to 0 is what? Option A, x is equal. You just write it. I don't want to write options. And this is a homework question to you all. And what is the homework? Guys, those who are CBSE students, listen to me carefully. CBSE students, whatever we have gone through so far, okay, for CBSE students, the parametric equations, so till this parametric equation is a pakka JE concept. All I'm going to start now JE. After this, this in fact this all JE only. But here on still general equation of a circle, whatever we have discussed, that is your CBSE syllabus. You understand my point? Circle is that much only. See, you have this much only to learn from the circles. See, for CBSE students, for JE, everyone, even state boards, CBSE board student, everyone should learn all the stuff for JE exam. But for your CBSE board point of view, for the class 11 board point of view, yes, I'm sure there will not be exam from board side for the class 11 student, but the final exam, whichever the school is going to conduct, all right, your school is going to conduct the exam, right? So in that exam, your syllabuses will be till this. So for CBSE students and for state board students, everyone, what is the homework? What is the homework? Solving exercise 11.1 for CBSE book. Okay, for CBSE class 11 textbook, exercise number 1, you have to solve it. This is your homework, and this question is a homework. Hope it is clear. Guys, and everyone. Then what about TS students? What about state board students? For you also, guys, everyone make sure that you are solving basic questions of your circles. You'll be having circles lesson from your college side, right? Do you have or not? Hello? If you don't have, I'll share the worksheet. See, I'll share the worksheet on circles. Very soon. First, you finish your vectors worksheet, then I'll post it. Okay, for CBSE student, this is a homework, beta. Please kindly solve it. Okay, everything is very simple. Everything we have discussed, you have to solve the CBSE questions. Okay, but it's not that key, sir is not solving CBSE questions. That is not the case. If at all we are going with the CBSE questions, क्या होगा? बताओ मुझे. What happens? Nothing you will get. You will not, you will not reach the competitive level mark. Okay. See, keep on solving NCERT questions. NCERT questions are like cakewalk. It's a cakewalk. Easily you can just eat those questions very easily, very easily. See, after listening to classes whichever I'm just giving you, I mean after the classes whichever we have delivered to you, after listening that, you can solve the 11.1 exercise, which represents a circle exercise. You can solve it like very easily. We can drink like a water. I'm sure. You understand my point, people? Is it clear or not?
Yes.
All right. For the state board students, if you have time, please open the 11.1 exercise from the CBSE class 11. You can search the internet. Not for the solutions. Please kindly be honest to yourself. Please genuine to yourself. You can't search for the solutions. Yes, there are free solutions available in different websites. So you can't search for the solutions. Please be honest to yourself. If you're not honest to yourself, beta, you can't honest to anyone. Please. If you are not honest to yourself, you can't be honest to anyone. Please try to understand. So be honest to yourself. Okay. So that is the thing which I would like to just convey to you. And one more important point, tomorrow's exam would be on circles. Tomorrow's tomorrow's, I mean, tomorrow exam would be like, exam syllabus. Let me write exam syllabus. Exam syllabus. Syllabus. देखो बेटा, एग्जाम सिलेबस होगा सर्किल्स. सर्किल्स जो भी मैंने पढ़ाया था आज, टिल नाउ वट एवर वी हैव डिस्कस्ड, अप टू अप टू अप टू द डेट. ठीक है, जो भी मैंने पढ़ाया टिल दैट यू हैव टू just work upon and write tomorrow's exam. Exam is going to start at exam is going to start at 2, I mean, morning 10 o'clock, and probably we'll have a class in the morning itself. If it is possible, we'll try to finish the class in the morning itself. If not, not morning, guys, I'm sorry. Probably after 1 o'clock, something like that. Okay, 1 to 2.
Sir,
Hmm? Yes.
actually every Sunday 2 to 5 I'm having NEET exams, sir. NEET practice exams
2
from
to
school.
3. 2 to 3. Okay, 1 to 2 is not possible.
No,
Then
sir, 2 to 5.
2 to 5. My goodness. Then बेटा हमने क्या करेंगे? 2 to 5. Then let us have 1 to 2. Is it fine? Or do you want to prepare for the
Sir,
exam?
exactly at 2 o'clock the exam will start, sir.